go. Any wise words to the men out there on
Well, I'm just gonna give them one tip, which I actually hope it happens, so it's not a tip. Don't hit each other. But I hope they just bang. They're gonna bang on the hill. I hope somebody just gets tired of the noggin.
Well, he's gonna send his mountain climb bike here with the 13 speeds, you know, like you type, you turn on the handles here.
Yeah.
Right up this motherfucking, sorry for my language, this mother trucking hill here, and he's gonna do a backflip, land it back down here, and watch it.
Right.
Stay tuned.
Holy man, dude, I felt like I was on a bucking bronco the whole way. You know, bumped all over the damn place. No. What else am I supposed to do?
Fucking hang on to it.